உடனுக்குடன் செய்திகளை தெரிந்து கொள்ள சன் நியூஸ் யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.
In New York, the situation was bad. They didn't have hospitals. They had ships. So Donald Trump arranged a ship, warship, as a hospital and converted hospital. Sir, we have enough places. You know what our Prime Minister does, sir? He converts trains into coaches. Trains into emergency hospital. Sir, is there any making common sense, sir? So don't we have enough marriage halls, government buildings in our country which can be converted into emergency units? Sir, what was the cost, sir? Sir, I'm the only speaker. I'm the only speaker, they disturbed me, sir. Okay. Sir, there's a lot to speak, sir. Sir, it was
5 minutes only for a
No, sir, 10 minutes, sir.
Now, please.
Sir.
Okay, now.
Sir, because I'm telling the truth, you can't stop me, sir. This is what happens. You don't allow people to tell the truth. Someone should say that. That's what the opposition is doing. Sir, I am asking, sir, in the time, what we did, we had a fantastic lockdown. The most strictest lockdown. Did we utilize it? We failed. Before those time corona cases were only in thousands. We could have used the opportunity to develop the infrastructure to make sure and ensure the lockdown is much more stricter and do it. Sir, we lost the time. We lost the golden window. We let the corona go spread and everywhere, sir. Then we realized, the Prime Minister and the Cabinet realized the economy is shut. There's no money coming. So you go the same speed. Now open up. Let's open up. And sir, the biggest joke, and before my honorable member who spoke, we said that the government gave money. Sir, that is one of the biggest lies, sir. Sir, not a single person has seen has got money, sir. And companies can write off postpone their loans, or whoever has to pay the payment for the cars can repay it later. Sir, it never happened. In fact, the banks never listened to the finance minister.
Oh, please,
sir,
continue.
I'm saying, sir, I'm just finished.
Please.
Three more points, sir. Sir,
Quick
sir,
points.
our Prime Minister came. People expected something because the Prime Minister of Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand came and announced what they said is, do not worry. Don't worry about your employees. We'll give you 80% salary for 6 months to your employees. Do not send them home. Do not. But what did he do, sir? Sir, this is the first thing we did is 30% salary cut for all the members of parliament. Sir, it's a good thing. We are ready to give our salaries, even 100%. Sir, the message went down the line that if the Prime Minister can cut their salaries by 30%, every private company reduce their salaries for the employees 30 to 40% and they somewhere are bit jobless. Sir, we are talking about people are working in company. Sir, India is a population of middle class who all depend on daily earnings. Sir, people who drive the auto rickshaws, people who work in the Uber, people who work in so many, which is depend upon one man's salary. Sir, for 6 months, they are left in the lurch. Sir, what happened, sir? Sir, instead of helping them, the biggest crime it was our government started blaming the Muslims. They said in Tabligh Jamaat, in the incident here, because the Malaysian Prime Minister had accused the government, sir, our government went and said the Muslims were spreading the coronavirus. Sir, in fact, we all know the case. It was not the truth. But end of the day, sir, what happened, sir? The effect of that. Because we arrested them, we tortured them. So what they did, they have tortured all the immigrant workers who were in Malaysia, and most of them are from my state of Tamil Nadu, who were unnecessarily harassed because of the wrong attitude of the central government. Sir, my state has 10% of the most affected case. Sir, we are struggling. Sir, money is not coming from here. Sir, people are not able to do it. Sir, but my leader, Sri M.K. Stalin, started a program called Undrinimum Va. That is, let's all get together. Sir,
okay.
Just completing. We had served food for 1 crore people, sir. And also, sir, 44 lakh people have been benefited. Sir, reason saying, sir, the vaccine is the only cure. But, sir, we cannot say when the vaccine is going to come. It maybe take by the middle of the next year, sir. But our economy has to go. People think because we opened this lockdown, the lockdown is open, that the coronavirus has disappeared. Sir, still there are people in the villages, they think that everything is normal. Sir, I only want to say, sir, in this time, we should be sending a good message. People should still be worried because the coronavirus has not disappeared. Thank you, sir.
Sir, first of all, I salute and my deep condolence to all those COVID warriors who lost their lives fighting against the most infected Corona-19 disease.
திமுக மக்களவை உறுப்பினர் தயாநிதி மாறன் மக்களவையில் பேசிய நேரலை காட்சிகளை பார்த்தோம். அப்போது அவர் மத்திய அரசின் செயல்பாடுகளில் உள்ள குறைபாடுகளை சுட்டிக்காட்டினார். பிப்ரவரி 3ஆம் தேதியே கேரளாவில் முதல் கொரோனா நோயாளியை கண்டுபிடித்த பிறகும் கொரோனாவை கட்டுப்படுத்த மத்திய அரசு அலட்சியமாக இருந்துவிட்டதாக தமது ஆதங்கத்தை அவர் வெளிப்படுத்தினார்.